Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If your iOS 27 phone is stuck in recovery mode, don't worry. This often happens especially after updates, beta installs, or failed restores. And in iOS 27, Apple changed how exiting recovery mode works, so the old force restart method doesn't always work anymore like it used to. Let's go through the different ways to fix it. The first way to exit recovery mode in iOS 27 is a new function called Nearby Device Recovery. When you're stuck on the recovery mode screen, you can press the side button 3 times and your iPhone will switch into this new recovery workflow. Then you just bring another iPhone or iPad close to it and follow the instructions on the screen. That second device can actually help you exit recovery mode or even reinstall iOS for you without needing a computer. If that doesn't work, then the next option is still the traditional computer method. You connect your iPhone to a Mac or a Windows PC, open Finder or Apple devices, and the system will detect that your iPhone is in recovery mode. From there, you usually get 2 choices, update or restore. If you want to keep your data, you always try update first because it reinstalls iOS without wiping anything, but if you restore it, it will erase everything and reinstall a clean system. And if you just want the fastest way to get out of recovery mode without update or restore, there's also ReiBoot. You can connect your iPhone, click exit recovery mode, and within seconds, your device should reboot back to normal. You can also use ReiBoot to repair your phone without data loss or downgrade the unstable beta version. If your iPhone is stuck in this recovery mode loop, you need to choose the right recovery method depending on how serious the issue is. If all the system repair method is not working, please do a hardware check on your phone. Alright, that's how you get your iPhone out of recovery mode on iOS 27. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.